Students, now we will talk about the customer profitability. We have discussed the 4 steps in implementing a CRM. First 2 steps were about the how would you influence the customer, influence the order. The second 2 steps were about the execution. Now, let us take an example of it. Here, for customer profitability, let's say we have 3 customer segments which the organization has targeted. So the product or service offering, if you could see in the first column, you have product quality percentage defects. For segment A, it is less than 1%. For segment B, it is between 5 to 10%. And for customer segment C, it is between 10 to 15%. So obviously, customer segment A is more important to me because these products are like defect free or having 0 defects into it. Perfect order आप किसके लिए बना रहे हैं? That is for segment A. Segment B and segment C वो customers हैं जो मेरे लिए शायद इतने profitable नहीं हैं और उनके लिए my defect percentage, quality defects product में ज़्यादा है. Order fill rate, मैंने fill rate की आपसे बात की, तो that fill rate is 98% for segment A. मेरे लिए critical है ये segment, ये मेरे लिए ज़्यादा profitability देता है. Cost to serve them is actually less. So my fill rate is actually high. For segment B, it is 92%. For segment C, it is 88%. यानी मेरा जो comparatively customer पे focus है, that is more on A than on B and then on segment C. Lead time, delivery आपकी जो है, वो भी quality है for segment A. 3 days. And that should be जो इसमें डिलीवरी टाइम आपके पास अवेलेबल है विद इन 1 hour ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट आप उसे एक्नॉलेज करने की कोशिश करते हैं. 3 days है. फॉर सेगमेंट बी इट इज 7 days. फॉर सी इट इज 14 days. टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. दैट मीन्स माई फोकस इज नॉट ऑन लेट्स से सेगमेंट सी. मेरा फोकस और टारगेट सेगमेंट ए है. पेमेंट टर्म्स 4/10 net 30, 3/10 net 30, that is the discount terms, and 2/10 net 30. So my discount or my payment terms are more flexible for segment A. It becomes lesser flexible for segment B and C. I become more stringent in terms of the payment for segment B and C. ज़्यादा discounts भी नहीं है और terms भी ज़्यादा stringent है. Customer service support. Dedicated representatives are for segment A type of customers. उनको respond करने के लिए. Segment B में, if there is someone available after those dedicated representatives, I will allocate it to B. Then third one is through website. यानी C के केस में ये organization जिसने इनको ABC में define किया हुआ है, वो आप एक email करते हैं, that email would be responded by that organization. That means आपकी जो support service है, that is with a delay. एक relay process दरमियान में मौजूद है. Through which, that is the website, you have to email and afterwards they will respond to it. तो टाइम आपके पास ज़्यादा है. वही कस्टमर्स के जो आपके पास सेगमेंट हैं उन्हीं को यहाँ पर डिफाइन कर दिया. प्रोटेक्ट जोन, वो कस्टमर्स जो कि कॉस्ट टू सर्व देम इज एक्चुअली लो एंड द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इज हाई. मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल सेगमेंट है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए द क्रिटिकल कस्टमर्स. डेंजर जोन, लीस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल वन. ऐसे कस्टमर्स जो कि वंस इन अ ब्लू मून आपसे बाय कर रहे हैं, आप उनके लिए एक अल्टरनेटिव हो सकते हैं. द फर्म हैज 3 alternatives फॉर डेंजर जोन कस्टमर्स. चेंज कस्टमर इंटरेक्शंस विद फर्म, आप इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. डेंजर जोन कस्टमर्स को यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्राई, कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि वो प्रोटेक्ट जोन की तरफ मूव करें. यू कैन एक्चुअली अडॉप्ट 3 methodologies. 3 आपके पास जो है देर आर, वी कैन डिफाइन इट इनटू 3 ways. Change customer interaction with firm so that customer can move to another segment. Customer के साथ वो firm अपना relationship improve करने की कोशिश करे. Charge the customer the actual cost of doing business. Now that is a bit difficult. आपकी जो cost है उसी cost के ऊपर आप उसके साथ जो है वो deal करें ताकि उसके लिए एक attraction आ सके उस customer के लिए and he would become one of the loyal customers. और स्विच द कस्टमर टू एन अल्टरनेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल. यानी आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल की जब बात कर रहे हैं, मैं उसे क्वालिटी डिलीवरी टाइम प्रोवाइड कर दूं, तो इन दैट केस तब भी वो कस्टमर मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट बन सकता है और वो कस्टमर मेरे उस बिजनेस, उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ he could have the loyal or long-term relationship. Build zone customers भी हैं, lower cost to serve है, and a low net sales value. ऐसे customers like मैंने iPhone 5C की आपसे बात की, एक cost effective model for those type of customers. इनकी profitability बहुत ज़्यादा high नहीं होगी, although कि इनके ऊपर जो cost to serve them is actually lower, but the sales, the revenue which they generate is also lower as well. Here we can actually now summarize these customers on the basis of this figure. आपके पास, if you see, cost to serve is on the x-axis and net sales value of customer is on y-axis. If your cost to serve is low and net sales value, your net revenue is low, it is the build zone customers. Low cost to serve but high sales value or sales revenue, protect. Cost to serve is high but the net sales value of the customer is actually low, danger zone customers. And the cost engineers are those for which your cost to serve is high and the profitability is high as well. Basically, it depends upon the organization. Organizations sometimes, other than protect zone, they could actually attract some danger zone customers as well. And some organizations would be looking as cost engineers. Because after all, the profitability is high, the net sales value is high. तो अगर उनको cost to serve high है, तो उसके साथ साथ जो profit वो generate कर रहे हैं वो भी high है. So cost engineer segment have a high net sales value and a high cost to serve. So depending upon different organizations, how do they achieve their logistical competency? They will actually look at these customer segments and they will target one or two of them. It would be quite rare for an organization to target all 4 type of customer segments. Thank you.